Welcome back. So this is Samuel Winde. I posted videos few months back on how you can unban your permanently banned WhatsApp, and I got a lot of messages like, "Boss, please sir, please help me to unban my WhatsApp number," and which I answered some, but I can't answer everyone. So I decided to make a video in which we explain how I always go about it. So let me quickly show you on how you can do it by yourself. So, but firstly, if you are watching this video from Facebook or YouTube or anywhere you are watching, please like this video, okay, and make sure you share. Just help another person, okay, to just let the algorithm recommend this video to another person. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section, or if it is beyond comment section also, you can drop your comment and you can also reach out to me. If you wish to watch more of my videos, my next videos, you can follow, or if you are watching from YouTube, you can subscribe as well. Okay, so thank you. So, and whenever you come to my DM, okay, I have an automation setup. Okay, please follow the automation. Okay, so you can see this person, he just dropped the message and left, and later she dropped the screenshot and she was getting an error message. Why? Because she didn't follow the automation. The automation asks, what is your name? Your next reply should be your name. Okay, please do that. As you can see now, he keep on receiving error until he answers. So her number was successfully saved after she followed the prompt. Okay, so after the prompt, I answered her and I said you should chat their woman support on Facebook, as you can see. And I didn't say Facebook is the one that will help you, but through their medium they can help you. If you are chatting through WhatsApp support, see, let me tell you something, though they will also reply, but if you sign up with your another number on you register new number on that your WhatsApp one, they will mark the IP. They already marked the IP of your address. They can even ban that number. Okay, they can even ban that number also, but most times they don't ban new numbers. Okay, if you are not receiving a lot of messages, or if you are not messaging a lot of people. Okay, so, and the reason why they are banning WhatsApp these days is because if you are receiving a lot of messages, it signal the algorithm that something fishy is happening on your DM. Okay, it will flag your account, and when it requests a review, they will unban the WhatsApp immediately. Okay, so and if your algorithm signal it again, they will permanently ban it. Okay, either you wait for 90 days or you do this. So through this medium I chat the woman support on Facebook, and it will be the one to guide you. Okay, it will be the one to guide you on how to go about it. So now, as you can see, said how please. So we kept on chatting and I message, and however that very good day I was chatting with one of their support, in which I explain on, can you see now, I'm here trying to chat them up here, as you can see now. So we are chatting and we jump on a meeting. So let me just show you, that is just it. So I decided I should chat them also, and I show her on how she can go about it, as you can see here. So he said now she went after they guide me on how to do it. They said, okay, do this, and I did it. So as you can see, I submit the question, and which they eventually resolve the application. Okay, so that is how I explained, and she was able to chat them up also. As you can see, I use laptop, though it is very easy on laptop because they will receive your message. Okay, they will schedule a meeting with you in which they want to see the kind of person you are. They will record your voice, they will call you through voice call, they want to talk to you. And also, once they jump on meeting, they schedule a link with you, they schedule a meeting with you, they will have your video is recorded. So if they want to confirm anything, they know that you are human, you are not a robot, and you are using, and they will tell you what to do. And I don't want this video to be too much long, so that is how to go about it. And I believe that you, and after our chat, she just defended. She said she wants my automation. We chatted, as you can see. She called me. We spent like, as you can see here, we spent like 55 minutes together, and I tried to explain. So after everything, she explained, and she appreciates the call, and she says she wants my calls on how you can set up your WhatsApp automation, and I sent it to her, which she is interested. So why am I explaining this? This is the way I use. I have tons. Like, I can't even mention how many, because I posted a video in my YouTube channel and it went viral. I posted it on Facebook also and it went viral. And many people are facing these challenges. So that is the reason why I started to make the video, so I can explain. You need to chat them up on Facebook so they can help you to unban your WhatsApp. And if you now want me to show you I believe that everyone can chat them up, but if you know that you need my video and you want me to record another video on how the link and every other thing, if you know that you are not be able to do it, just comment, drop your comment like, I want the video. Okay, yes, I want the video. Okay, so, and I will record. I know that you are ready. So if I can get much comment about that, I believe that I will create a time again and record that video that will explain on how you can, every aspect, how you chat with them. I will record the section and I will post it online again. I believe this video help you, and if it helps you, please make sure you like and share. Okay, make sure you share. That one is important, so the algorithm can share it to another person. So, and if you have any questions, okay, if you have any question, you can chat me up. If you want me, you can still chat me up, but please follow the automation on my DM. Okay, thank you. So as you can see here, this is the meeting link. As you can see, so I received the meeting link through my email, and we schedule a meeting. As you can see, this is on the 15th, and we have a meeting together, and he called me, and I share my screen and every other thing, and he guide me on how to go about. So it's as simple as that. I believe that everyone will be able to do that. But if you are stuck anywhere, make sure you message me, so at least I will know how to. If anything you want, you can still message me. Okay, so thank you, and God bless you. See you in the next video. Bye for now.